How to find working promo codes for current card. In this video, I'll show you how to find active and working promo codes for the current card app.
So to get started, start by going to the App Store or Google Play and downloading the current app. Create a new account but don't activate the card yet. We are going to use a referral code to get a bonus. Now open TikTok, Reddit, or YouTube and search for recent videos using current card promo code. For this, I would suggest going to Reddit first because influencers usually post there. Look for creators who posted in the last week. Older codes often expire. Read the comments to confirm if others say the code still works. Avoid reposted or recycled codes. On Reddit, visit the r/referral code subreddit and filter for current. Use promo codes before your first deposit to get the sign up bonus. In the app, go to the account and tap enter promo code. Paste the code and hit apply. Most bonuses require either a deposit, spending threshold, or enabling direct deposit. Watch for limited time offers posted on Current's official social accounts. You can use multiple codes per account. To test codes safely, try using them on new dummy accounts first before committing. And that's how to find working promo codes for the current card.